Hello, mates. It's me, Tommy Two-Tone from Down Under. Today, the McCain campaign has revealed more shocking information. You might have heard that they say that Barack Obama's father was born in Africa. Kenya, you know how they say it. But anyway, the Republican National Committee and the McCain campaign today revealed that Barack Obama's last name, if you take the letters of his name and spell it backwards instead of Obama, you get Amabo. And did you know that in Afrikaans, Amabo means I love socialism and cows? The Republican National Committee and the McCain campaign has revealed the secret plan of Barack Obama is to take all the cattle from all our rich cattlemen out there in Colorado, in one of them, what they call that, battleground state. He's going to take all the cattle from our rich ranchers, the people that work so hard to raise them cattle. He's going to kill them all on the White House lawn, freeze them, or first he's going to grind them up, freeze them, and then hand out frozen beef patties to homeless people on the streets of America. I know what you're thinking, ladies and gentlemen. This is shocking information. Do we want a man in the White House who's going to kill all our cattle? Of course we don't. Thank you, John McCain's campaign, for letting us know about the secret plan of Barack Obama. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, this is day 6 of the McCain campaign says. Good night.